So what is it that you want to do in the car?
I want to get in the back seat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And?
I want to kiss you.
Are you kissing me? You can kiss me right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you're gonna be on the spotlight. Let me turn this light on in the car and pull my camera out. And now tell me what it is you just told me you wanted to do to me in the back seat. This is going on Facebook.
Should it go on Facebook, baby?
I'm thinking most of those videos, maybe in this one. Depends on how this one goes, doesn't it? This might be a private collection.
Woohoo!
You want to make a porno?
Oh my god, you're so great.
Good, oh thank God. I thought you were going to be like, oh, perp!
Come on, seriously, man.
Okay, I knew you weren't going to say perp. Get it back.